I shall finish you. You get one in your leg and I go like you're dead. Eh? I shall finish you. You want me finish you? C'est fait. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here, and it's time for another exciting episode of GTA. But today, people, as you can see from the thumbnail, I have a new character to introduce you to. People, meet Officer Brown. Officer Brown is in the house, and today people, we are go out and we are fight crime. So this is the first episode of Officer Brown on duty. Yeah, first episode of Officer Brown on duty. So I could get straight into it and see who out here broke the law. You know the thing, guys? Yeah. So I could take a nice little drive out and see who broke the law or anything like that. Cause if we need backup, we can get backup. Let me take a drive, go down and get up, go see what them people are up to. Any drug dealing I go on down here, so or anything I go on down here, I go get mashed up. So Officer Brown, I go try not to break the law. As you can see, me drive at a nice speed. So I go try not to break too much law and go down in the ghetto, go see what I go on down there. You understand, people? So if you like this episode, please make sure you like the video, people. It really helps the channel. Me can't stress that enough. Like the video. And also subscribe around there if you're new for more, people. I'm so excited about this one. Yo, me say, you see, when you do your homework and watch other videos online, you get to know how to do things. Alright, me say me not break the law. I'm just run the red light. But yeah, I'm gonna try not to break no more law because I was distracted. I was talking. Right, I'm on the wrong side of the road. Yo, me police. Can do more and do. Watch it. Watch it. And if nobody not like it, I shall cut off your head. What me say me I go do? Cut off your head.
Okay.
Yeah. Officer Brown there. Who have a problem with Mr. Presser? You're not easy. No, Nope. I'm gonna pull you over. Nope. Pull over. Pull over. Sir, I am asking you to stop this minute. Sir, I am asking you to pull over this vehicle. You are traveling with no seatbelt, sir. Okay, alright, you're not stop. Alright. Officer Brown, I have one feeling to stop, people. I have one feeling to stop. So, I could try and use force and stop him. Hello, sir. Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. Nope. That not gonna work. Come on. Come out. Oh, where is that a while ago? Come on, man. As you want, I'm Mr. Brown. Watch out. What me say? Off with the head. You have to understand yourself. Know yourself. No fight police. Know yourself. Boy, me not finish it. If you think police carry you out, you have sense? Yeah? When people are going, hey. No, hey, sure, hey, lucky no. Hey, lucky, so hey. No, yes. What's your problem? Look, girl, wait. Officer Brown is in duty. I want to know. Where you wanna go left your car in the middle of the road? Hey! You let me car. My neck. My hand. People. Hello. Stop your car, sir. Last warning. Stop your car, sir. Hey, people. My city. I run this city. Who don't like it? Off with your head. Deaf. Oh, so much car pilot person now. I'm gonna get my car now. First of all, jump over my car. Because jumping on my car. Officer is in duty right now. can't move, you know? Stuck, you know? Watch it, man! Yo, sure, look what, look. Them sandwich me people. Me an egg? Me an egg? Alright, move this car. Move this car. Cause you know who caused all of this? That person there. That person there. See him there going? Him caused all of this. Alright, let's get out of here. People look how they mash up my car. Look here. This not right. There's siren there. Siren there. Oh, ambulance. Yeah man. Me kill about 400, so go on to them. Hold on, I miss with them. I'm thinking I don't. What happened to you? What your problem? Move, man! What your problem? You come and stop behind here like you know I'm in reverse. Watch it now. Hello. Oh, ambulance, I'm gone. Alright. Alright, don't gonna get to me I go. Me break every rules now. What I'm doing now? Turn on my siren, I'm not gonna win either. Hey! A bad driver a while ago. Pull over. Pull over, sir. Pull over, sir. Sir. Sir, pull over. Alright? Who can't hear must feel. Who can't hear must feel. Officer Brown not take no chat from nobody. Hey! Officer Brown not take no chat from you. I say stop. Why you not stopping? Where you go? Alright. You pin up. Hey boy, what me say for do? Stop your car. Stop your car. Hello, warning shot. Stop your car. Come out. Where you do? Where you drive like that for? Eh? Don't run from me. Trying to escape in nearby bushes. What am to you? Eh? Officer Brown not take no chat from no now no. Police business. Alright, don't gonna get to me I go now. Go see who is going on with crime down there. I will not have it. Officer Brown is out and about. What I'm doing now? I am your worst nightmare. I am your worst nightmare. So go and spread the word. Officer Brown is on patrol. Go and spread the word. No unnecessary crime, no petty crime, no robbing, no stealing from the poor and needy. If you don't want to go rob, I will allow you to rob a bank.
Bruh.
What did you say?
Bring some bodies up in here. Why you ain't back there, homie?
What you want up to? No, me just yell it at this a while ago. Where you do? Me just yell it a while ago. Where you do? Eh? Hello? Hello? Hello, where you do? What you do? What you do? Eh? What you do? Eh? Hold on, call for back up. Go in that car. Hold on. Back up. Ha! Dog! Woo! Watch it, dog. Watch it. Shoot it. Watch it, dog. Back up. Call for back up. Run. Run, call for back up.
I can't do nothing.
Alright, people, back up is on this way. Alright, people, back up is on this way. Back up is on this way. Tell them some big shooter that go on down here, people. Officer Brown is in need. Officer Brown is pinned down against heavy gunfire. Officer Brown need backup. Backup is here, people. Who? See that people? Who don't come too late? Look here. Me kill everybody. Oh, who shoot me? Who? Officer Brown need Officer Brown need a new car. I'm sorry. Officer Brown, I'm gonna kill them for now. What you do? What I do? Oh, sorry. You get causing crossfire.
That's nonsense. And you should know better.
Oh! Whoa! What is going on? What am I doing? Hey, come on, take care. Out of it. Oh, people. Oh, God. Police are shooting for. Move, you idiot.
They feel like just bully man. Man, a bad man.
You don't see me there by your team. You know sense? Know yourself. Know yourself. How you show? Sure. Alright. My work here is done. My work here is done, people. Officer Brown, signing out of the damn ghetto. Look at the state of it. Look at the state of the ghetto. Eh? Look at the state of the ghetto. Who you man? Who you man?
I never me tell you go do it.
Oh! Knock him out. You have sense?
What?
Fuck him. You have sense? Eh? This man about the same team. Oh, I'm to you. Now ramp with Officer Brown. What I'm to now? Think man a clown? One of the best looking car. Wait there. Yes, you want to so. Don't beep your hand. Officer Brown is in duty. Officer Brown upon duty. Don't beep your hand. Don't beep your hand. What I'm to now? What is wrong with you now? Somebody call the paramedics and hold the ambulance down here, so. Them needed. I will not have no drug activities, especially in the middle of the night. Down here, cause that me get intel last night. Pick up and patch up. You can pick him up. You can pick him up. I go kill you. You go dead. Hey, what you do? You're not easy. Cut him down. You're not easy. The man come to save life. I shoot him. I shall cut the wall. You know no sense. One tono. It's not my day. First day upon the job and a be a chaos. Them people are cause for me. Alright. Oh no. Dangerous driving. You know secure in area. Eh? You know no sense. I need a bigger gun, sir. You don't see what I want. Oh, you see, sir? There's a crime scene down here. Eh? I want to cut the whole out down reverse. I want to cut the whole out down. I want to cut every last. Oh, you're dead. Hey, boy. I want like having loud music. I want to cut the last one out down. The last one out going to get cut down here. Don't ramp. Alright. Leave this place here. A nice police automobile. Hanma.
Officer is a serious offense.
Yeah. Ramp with me. Officer Brown not take chat from people. Who not like it? Bite it. What is going on over here, sir? What is going on over here, sir? Police business. Hello. What is happening here? I'm investigating. Sir, why your glass look like that? Why your pants so big, sir? Why your pants so big? Why your glass look like that? Ah, boy. Why me say, oh, your pants look so? You for answer. For answer. What is your problem? You want some of this? Eh? You want some of this too? Eh? Officer Brown is on patrol, no ramping, no for go on. Oh. Want me car wash off? Car dead? Oh, it's alright. Want me car for wash off? Who wash the car?
The dead guy must be hiding something if he is refusing to talk.
Oh, right. The man might watch the car, so I kill them now. Oh, alright. Sorry. My bad. But you have to be law-abiding citizens. So when officer talk to you, you have to answer. And hey, what going over here, sir? What mistake? What is going on over here? Hey, officer is here talking. I'm gonna fire a warning shot. Oh, shatter! Cut! Before me start shoot. I'm gonna shoot anyway. Cut every last one down. Ambulance, watch yourself, man. Man, you get shot, man. Oh, I'm telling you, Officer Brown at work. Officer Brown at work. Oh, I'm Tuno. Start now, man. Yeah. Oh, I'm Tuno. And cut every last one down. I will not have no illegal activities. No one being out when they should not be out. Hello. Stop your car, sir. Or madam, whoever you are. Police business. I come to talk to you. Don't drive off. If you drive off, you're go dead. A while ago, you come around the corner in a you come around the corner and you go over the white line. The white line there, sir, you go over it. You should not go over it. Come out of your car. Come out. Step out of this. You want the officer? Officer have a headbutt there now. Move. Move. You want the officer? Eh? I got the officer talking to... Oi. You is a gang member. Look at your color, what you're wearing. You is a gang member. Yeah, I go dead too. Officer will not have no ramp with me. Spread the word. But you can't save him? Alright, tell you what. If you can't save him, what am I do with you now? I go kill you now. If you can't save him, I go kill you. You know why? You should be well-trained paramedics.
Help has arrived.
Help him.
Get here in time.
Help him. You know, help him.
Sucks.
It sucks. Alright. Taco sucks for me you right now. What you take out clipboard? I go kill you now. One. Oh no, I go dead. Officer Brown. Oh no, looking up. Oh no, so a man that's in a car. Eh? Oh no, so a man in a car for save. Eh? You're not dead yet. No, who needs saving? Who needs saving now? You. You need saving, sir. Oh, I'm Tuno. Start up at the carrier now. Start. Thank you. Chuckman. No, no, Chuckman, you drive on the sidewalk. Chuckman, you drive on the sidewalk. Oh God, alright. Mr. Chuckman, you drive on the sidewalk and you just broke a red light. That's a two. That's a two thing you do a while ago. Enough you do. It's a big truck you're driving. The truck is a weapon. You just broke a next red light. Pull over. Sir, pull over. I will not talk again. Officer Brown, do not talk 3 times. Alright? Alright, who can hear must feel. Shuffle up your cat pack and let's deal. Stop. Put. Oh! Okay. Alright. That is. You are. You are abusing your power for being on the road and being a big truck. You're abusing your power. You're not to do that. Officer is on duty, no ramp. 1, 2, no. 1 hour and go.
No way.
So hold on. So you bad. So everybody around. What happened to you? You disabled? Where you say? You not afraid of me? Where you say while ago? You not afraid of me? Look for me when I talk to your youth. Look for me when I talk to your youth. You not afraid of me? Eh? I know you decide to run? Alright, you see me call you slow, you go dead. You go dead. Look for me when I talk to you. Hey, don't make me run you down, you know. Me can't tired. Me can't tired. Hey, youth! Oh, boy! Oh, boy. I'm not running further. I don't want to lose my car. That is what you get for not moving out of the way when time you see Officer Brown appears. Anytime I appear, something must be dead. Anytime I come out of my car, something must be dead. Oh, rampant Officer Brown. Officer Brown make an impact. Yeah. I'm Tono. Car dead? Oh. Car good, man. Alright, now Go over the gas station and go see who do lightering. Watch it. Who put you there, sir?
Shit.
Buy some gas.
I'm on 285 last weekend.
Officer is on duty. I don't want to ramp with the officer. Officer not take chat from people. Evil meds. Alright, put in your gas. Alright, people, I just put in my gas a while ago. So let's go. Full tank again. What kind of crime you break now? No, alright, you're good. Make you go on. Make you go on.
You owe me $20. Yeah.
You break the law. You shout. Who owe you $20? Hey! Officer is at. Hey, me talk to you. Who owe you $20?
Hey,
Eh?
oh, you got that cat for me?
What you say?
I'm coming there.
What? Where's he at though? Hello? Hello, sir. How you look, sir? Eh? How you look, sir? Mister, how you look, sir? Who you look, pan? How you look, sir? Eh? You know, hear me talk to you. You know, hear me talk to you. Hey, warm tone.
Oh, hell no.
No reaction time when I get. Oh, I'm Tono. When I take bad up. Don't drive yourself when you say officer, yes, sir. You're bad. Eh? You is bad. You is bad or you what? You bad or what? Oh, officer boom flick. Oh,
For the love of God.
oh, love of God. Officer just retrieve illegal gun. Them guy with him body. I will not have none of around here talking bad about the officer or about the police department. I am working to become the best in the city. See your body there? Spread out going like sheet on bed. I don't say nothing disrespect the officer.
I smell something rusty.
You smell something rusty? What is that? You don't want to run to? What you say? You don't want to run to?
Shit, daddy.
You don't want to run to? What? You don't want to run to? You don't want to run to? Eh? You don't want to run to? Eh? Eh? You don't want to run to? Awa! You don't learn a while ago. You don't learn. You don't learn. Alright, back up is on the way for me. How about yourself? Back up is on its way. The dog, yeah. You not get no chance. Move on, way. Alright, back up is here now.
For a long time.
Them kill off and back up them.
I can't do that. I'm done.
One of them. One dead. Alright, take on this community by myself. Officer no need no backup from none of no. I are backup. I are the backup. Who can hear must feel. Where is sound there? Where I shoot from? In your yard, you're not safe. Find somewhere put your head, boy. You're not safe. Fly without wings. Ramp with the officer. Officer Brown, no, clown. Who else? Who you call that? Who you shoot from? Show yourself. Know yourself. Officer Brown is here. And better be. Hey, how about I say that? Alright. Watch me, yo. My fist not use and thump in your face. Dodging bullet them. Jump over there.
This shit is empty.
You run? You're gonna empty. Okay, alright. Officer Brown is here. Officer Brown will take that up from people. No, I shoot you. They will not recognize your face at your funeral. No, if you recognize your face at your funeral. Close casket you get. Fireman, want to come and run for? No one dead too? Me shoot one and one drop. Watch out. Pick a next one. I am the law. New car me the want. I am the law. Huh, watch it. What you say about your car? Eh? You know me? You know me? Don't move. Where your driver go? Alright. Where your drive gone? Eh? Where your drive gone a while ago? Eh? Eh? Who you lick down a while ago, girl? Eh? Ramp with the officer, you know hear about me. You know see me on the news. Me are the baddest thing around here. Ah! Me better than... Me better than yours. Me better than cancer. Me better than COVID-19. Ramp with the general. Let me say, anybody don't like how I do things? Off with your head. Let me say, off with your head. All right, officer. Hold on. I shall dispose of this vehicle because I do not want it to be in the hands of criminals. Let me dispose of this vehicle. It should not be in the hands of criminals. Dispose of this car. It should not be in the hands of criminals. Because if criminal get this, they will go impersonate the law. And I am the law. Wet it up. Yeah. Yes, man. Don't forget that vehicle here. And I go impersonate the law. So what am I going to do now? Dispose it. Shoot that this up. Yes. Blow it up. Blow up this vehicle. It should not be here. Thank you. Thank you. Set it on fire. Officer will not take any prisoners. Watch it. Dog. I don't want to kill you. Oh, watch it. You want me to step on your toe and step on your head? Eh? Eh? Wanna run for the life? No gangs. Hold on, I got dead. Once in a wear purple, I'm not shoot off for the officer. Stop, drop, roll. First gunshot. What me say? What me say when I go do? What me say when I go do? What me say when I go do? Anything in a purple are dead. Better you stay down and play dead now. Or you go dead too now. Oh. Anything in a... Where am there? Ha! Dog! Hey! Who you ramp with? Officer Brown? Officer Brown not... Hey, all the dog in the yard are dead. All the dog in the yard are dead, man. Gunshot. Done shot. Officer Brown is here. Please be aware. We are trying to. Eh? Eh? I shall finish you. You get one in your leg and I go like you're dead. Eh? I shall finish you. You want me finish you? Sefe. Tap your eyes. Put you out of your miserable.
What the hell did you just say?
Put you out of your miserable. You still not fear miserable? Hmm? What? Look how much illegal gun me I get off the streets. Eh? All who not like how me fight crime down here. I'm gonna take it up with my superior. My superior name is Mr. Brown. Me, I am the superior. So who not like it, you know what to do. How you look, sir? Yeah, them sold up. One here sold up. See one next one here. Sold one there too. One two no. Officer Brown is here. Officer Brown not take chat from nobody. Officer Brown get chat. Oh. Officer Brown get chat. Officer Brown not take chat. So who not?
I can treat you the way you treat taxpayer-funded vehicles.
Oi. Where you do a while ago? Eh? Officer Brown not get chat. Officer Brown not take chat. Officer Brown not take chat. You know hear about me? Watching news. Eh? You see when I reach up at heaven, tell Jesse, I'm missing you. If you go watch news. I'm Tono. Chuckman, watch yourself. What you do, Chuckman? Know yourself. I'm Tono. I run these streets. I run these streets. I run these streets. We should have your break. You're good. You're not breaking the law. Alright, just stop. Alright, good. What go on here, sir? Alright, everything good there, sir. Everything is good. Wagwan, yes, sir. I hear, sir, yes, sir. This the whole heap of weed that sell. The weed that sell, yes, sir, right?
Every day is a blessing.
Every day is a blessing, mama. Alright, every day is a blessing. But guess what? I'm not killing you today. I'm not killing you because you say every day is a blessing. So, you know? Your life safe. That joke! Your life can't save when I'm around. You know, for smoke. Hey! Oh, I'm told now. Every day is a blessing. Every day is a blessing. What the dog you go for? What the dog you do? Dog, you don't see everything in your yard? You don't see everything in your yard? Eh? Where you go? You don't see everything in your yard? Eh? Where you run for? Turn in your yard?
Oh, no.
Yard if you turn in now. You look at me, sir. Eh? Eh? You want to start something? Watch it!
No. No.
Don't romp with officer. Officer Brown dark. Officer Brown dark. See, uno two. Enough things are going boy. Uno not do nothing do. Yes, Officer Brown a cause havoc. Watch it. All you do, phone job too easy. When fire na go on, you no come out of station. Officer Brown will not have it. Officer Brown is here on the patrol. What go on here, sir? Think.
I feel like I'm living in paradise, you know?
Public toilet, alright. You overweight. You're overweight, you need to run. You're overweight, you need to run, mama.
You trying to feel my breath?
Me trying to do what? Don't accuse the officer. Run. Don't accuse the officer. Kneel if. Kneel if. Kneel if, me say, you're not here.
Get out of here.
But me try to feel your breast. What you try to do? Accuse the officer of what? Exactly. No, you have to know yourself, man. But me I try to feel your breast. Where you get that from? Officer Brown not take chat from nobody. Nobody at all. What scream? Why screaming for?
Can you help me? I'm hungry.
You hungry? What you want? What you want? What you want? You're not hungry, no? You know what? Look, alright, look for your shoes. Me go show you say you're not hungry. I'll crack you want to use my money buy. You're not hungry. Look for your shoes. Look at it clean. Thief your state of shoes there. Look for your pants are dirty. You're not hungry. You're not hungry. You have to stop tell life I'm hungry. Stop tell life I'm hungry. You don't hungry. And what flying on your head, boy, you're hungry. Since as you're hungry, name the gun butt there. Out order. Boy, you're hungry. What Tony in your talk about? What Tony in your talk about? Eh? What Tony look dodgy? What I talk about? Me not filling the paperwork, you know. Me say, what you talk about? Hey boy, me say, suppose you make me and slip out. Where you run and go? Suppose you make me and slip out. Hey boy, suppose you make me and slip out. Eh? What I'm doing now? What you gonna do about it? What you are gonna do about this? What you gonna do about this? Eh? Who you ramp with?
Got him!
What you gonna do about it? Officer, hey! You is a crooked cop. You is a crooked cop. You is a crooked cop. Yes! You're crooked. Get up. Get up. You're fear. You're crooked. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What you try to do? Know yourself. Know yourself. Officer Brown not take chat from nobody at all. Mad people there, move. What me say? All who don't like how me do crime? Off with your head. Oh. A ramp it. And a ramp officer be on a ramp. Oh. I will not have no drugs running. No criminal activity. No illegal substances. No illegal driving. No dodgy politician. No dodgy policeman. No dodgy soldier man. No dodgy human being in a city. No dodginess. I am the law. I am the law. Who don't like it, bite it. What problem me do?
Watch out!
Hey!
Shit!
No! You know say you have to cuss bad word? You know fi cuss bad word. What am to you? Wait boy, where you look pan? Cut! Call ambulance for him. Take a picture of your dead body, boy. Take a picture. Save this. So me know my bad.
Boy, if you don't get...
Officer is out. What I'm to know? Oh, so where you have to drive your son car? Make sure say you have insurance. Make sure say you have insurance. Make sure say you have insurance. Police stop. Police stop. Police stop. Me stop or no? Make sure say you have insurance. Madam, you have insurance?
No way!
Come out. Come out. You have insurance? What? You have insurance? No ramp. When there? Where you go with she? Jesus Christ, when there? Him can't save you. Jesus Christ not gonna save you right now. Him not gonna save you. Watch it, put him away.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that's it guys.
Move up. I'm told no. Know me? You know me? You know me? Know myself. Know myself. Right. Go buy some food and sign out of duty. My work here is done. Right now I feel hungry. I'm gonna buy some food and sign off duty. So people, if you don't enjoy that episode here, please make sure you thump up the like button, kick up the like button, power bomb the like button, hold the like button and choke the like button. If you don't do that, half you do no head. What me say? Half you do no head. Okay. Alright? If you're new around here and don't subscribe, half with your head. Half with your head.
That just took a weird turn.
You hear me say? Alright, until next time, Officer Brown is signing out. So I will see you in the next episode. Yeah? If you don't want more officer duty, make me know. Alright? Peace. Look, some food now, me hungry. Blood all up on my pants. Me don't know how it reached there.